we have achieved our targets, and the target was to convey the message of a new line, the Ingeniq line, with the combination of digitalization, and get this as a new business model explained to the customer.
And we at Krones are very excited because today is the world premiere of our revolutionary new line concept Ingeniq. Ingeniq is the answer of the eternal question of the industry: how can I operate my line in the long run on a high performance to the lowest cost?
You can see it on all of our exhibit there. At any exhibit there is a kind of digital proportion, and you see the lines throughout the hall that any customer comes in, we can talk to him independent from which business he is, independent which product he's searching for. So they are really feeling good and are overwhelmed from this situation that we are taking care about the customer as a holistic solution and not only on the machine base.
This is Krones.
The new technologies are just amazing. I blow my mind.
It's the best experience I've ever had.
They have given us the confidence, the way we are going, the way we innovate, the innovations which have been here, the innovations we are going to do, all of that has been confirmed. And why is that so important? Because we are listening to our customers, understand what they need and develop in the direction they get the solutions tomorrow, and of course, solutions beyond tomorrow. At this particular point, I do a big thank you for everybody who contributed to drinktec 2025. It was a great show for us. Again, we strengthened our reputation. We supported the brand Krones in the industry. Thank you.